Hello students, welcome back to St. Alphonsus School channel. Myself Kiran. So in the last class, we were doing a pair of linear equations in two variables. I had explained you the meaning of the chapter, and I had also told you the general form of this linear equation and how to find the constants a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, isn't it? Now in today's class we will discuss about the relation between the ratios. So the ratios you were able to write in the last class, that is a1 divided by a2, I hope you remember it, b1 divided by b2 and c1 divided by c2. Okay, now in this class we are going to discuss the relation between those ratios. Okay children, so beginning with this, I will take one small example from your textbook itself. The example is like this. The first one, the first pair of linear equation, that is x minus 2y equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So children, I hope you will be able to identify the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. So first let us do that. So here a1 value is, see if you see the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x, I don't have any number, which means it's understood 1. Okay, so a1 value is 1. Now b1 value is, so this is b1 value, be careful, there is a negative sign, so b1 value will be minus 2. Then c1 value, if you see here, I don't have any value for c1. If I don't have any value, then I will take it as 0. Okay children, so c1 value is 0. Next, coming to the second equation, a2 value, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to, minus sign is there, be careful, it is minus 20. So this part you have learned in the previous class. Now let us divide it. So that is a1 divided by a2, that is equal to 1 divided by 3. This fraction I cannot further simplify, so it is in the simplified form, so I will keep it as it is. Next, b1 divided by b2, b1 divided by b2. So if I divide this, b1 value is minus 2 divided by b2 value is 4. Here I can simplify. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. So what is remaining? Minus 1 divided by 2. So that is the fraction remaining, minus 1 by 2. Now coming to the third constant, the ratio c1 divided by c2. c1 divided by c2 is equal to, c1 value is 0 and c2 value is minus 20. So 0 divided by minus 20, that is equal to, what is the value? 0 divided by minus 20. See, I give you an example. I have 20 cakes. Okay, I will ask you to take 0 cake. That means how much cake you will take? You will not take any cake. It is 0. So 0 divided by any number is 0 itself. Okay, so it is 0. So we have written the ratios here. Now we are going to find the relation for this ratio. What is the relation? If you observe carefully, a1 by a2 value is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 value is minus 1 by 2. Are these two equal? No, it is not equal. These two are different. And if you see the c1 by c2, it is 0. All the three are different. That is the relation. Okay, so see what is the relation? Therefore, a1 divided by a2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. Again, C1 divided by C2 is also not equal, but I need not write it. Why? Because if I have failed in the first step, what is the necessity of taking the second step? Isn't it? If I failed in 9th standard, I cannot go to 10th standard. So, A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. We will stop it there itself. We will not further proceed. So, this is the first condition. Okay, so if you see carefully, what is the first condition? A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. This condition, I am going to write it there at the corner. A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So this is the first condition. These conditions are very, very important. Okay, children, so you should know it. Now, let us take one more example. Okay, the second pair of linear equation. So what is the second pair of linear equation? The equation is like this: 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, first equation, and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Okay, so again we have got two pairs of linear equation. What we have to do? First step, we have to identify the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Second step, we have to find the ratios of A1 divided by A2, B1 divided by B2, C1 divided by C2. Okay, so we will follow the first step. First step is A1 value. So I hope you know what is A1 value. So you should tell along with me. Okay, A1 value is 2, B1 value is 3, C1 value is, minus is there, again and again I am telling you, whenever you have minus sign, be careful. Minus 9, C1 value is minus 9. Okay. Now coming to the second equation, what is A2 value? A2 value is 4, B2 value is 6, C2 value is minus 18. First step is over. Now we'll go to the second step. What is the second step? Find the ratios of this constant. Okay, A1 divided by A2 equal to, what is A1? 2 divided by 4. That is equal to, see, if you all are small children like 5th standard, 6th standard, you used to cancel it and write it. But you all have come to 10th standard, right? You should not cancel it. All the cancellation should be done mentally. So 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. A1 divided by A2 is 1 by 2. Second ratio, B1 divided by B2. Okay, B1 divided by B2, that is equal to, what is B1 value? 3 divided by B2 value 6. Now again if you calculate it, 3 1s are 3 divided by 3 2s are 6. We'll go to the third ratio, C1 divided by C2. C1 divided by C2. C1 value is minus 9 divided by C2 value is minus 18. Now this is equal to, minus divided by minus is plus. I repeat, minus divided by minus is plus. 9 divided by 18. 9 1s are 9 divided by 9 2s are 18. Okay. Now if you observe carefully here, A1 by A2 is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is also 1 by 2. So what did you understand? What is the relation here? The relation is all these three ratios are equal. The relation, I am going to write it here. The relation is therefore A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, that is also equal to C1 divided by C2. So this is the second relation. I repeat the relation. A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. Okay, you should learn this relation, it's very important. We will do this, we will use this relation in the further problems. So I will write the relation here. A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, that is equal to C1 divided by C2. This is the second relation what we have. Now we will go for the third relation. To get the third relation, I will write third set of equation, linear equation. Okay, so the third set of linear equation is like this. So this x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so this is third pair of linear equation. Now I need not tell what we have to do, you know it. First step, find the constants. That is, A1 value is 1, B1 value is 2, C1 value is minus 4. Then A2 value is 2, B2 value is 4, C2 value is minus 12. Now let us find the ratio. A1 divided by A2, that is equal to 1 divided by 2. The fraction is in the simplest form. I need not or I cannot further simplify this. I will go to the next ratio. B1 divided by B2. B1 divided by B2 is equal to B1 value is 2 divided by B2 value is 4. So I can further simplify 2 1s are 2 divided by 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now I will go to the third ratio. C1 divided by C2, that is C1 value is minus 4 divided by C2 value is minus 12. Now this is equal to minus divided by minus is plus. Minus divided by minus is plus. 4 1s are 4 divided by 4 3s are 12. So what relation are we going to get here? If you observe, these two answers are same, but this answer is different. So these two are equal and this is not equal. That is the relation. So I will write the relation here. So what is the relation? Therefore, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. This is the third relation. Okay, this third relation, again I will write it there. Okay, so what is the third relation? A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Okay children, so these are the relations what we have got. Using these relations we can find how, if we draw a graph, how will the graph behave or how will the graph be? Okay, that we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you, bye.